In today's video, we are going to show you how to check if your ID.me account is fully verified. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials, and then I want you to hover to the top right corner where you can see your profile icon, and then on the drop-down menu, I want you to click the My Wallet. This is where all your identity verifications are stored. Now, one option that you can check to make sure that your account is fully verified, go to the section that says My IDs. If you see active ID, that means your identity has been successfully verified. If it says inactive IDs, your verification is still pending or needs further review. That's the fastest way to confirm your verification status. Another option that you can do is double check your account by going to the sign in and security. I want you to hover to the privacy section, and then you may notice here, if you update your address, the changes will take immediately. If you update your name, ID.me staff will need to re-verify your identity using new or previously submitted documents. Remember, the name updates can take up to 3 days to process, so if you recently changed your name and ID shows inactive, that could be the reason. All I have to do is click the update that information so that ID.me will re-verify your identity and you should be able to receive a confirmation email, which is a good indicator that your ID.me account is fully verified. And basically, that's it for today's video on how you can quickly check if your ID.me account is verified. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.